Hey there, welcome to our channel. We are Yan Sourcing, a leading sourcing agent company in China. Ever wondered how to buy products from Alibaba? Maybe you're looking to start a business or just find great deals. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the complete process of buying from Alibaba, from sourcing products to getting them delivered to your doorstep. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Alibaba? Alibaba is the world's largest online B2B marketplace. It connects manufacturers, mostly from China, with buyers from around the globe. Now, let's break down the process of buying from Alibaba step by step. Step 1. Create an Alibaba account. Head over to alibaba.com and click on Join Free. Fill in your details and verify your email address. It's that simple. Step 2. Search for products. Use the search bar to look for products you're interested in. You can also browse through categories if you're not sure what you want. Pro tip: use specific keywords to narrow down your search. Step 3. Compare suppliers. Once you find a product, you'll see multiple suppliers offering it. Look at their profiles, years in business, and transaction history. Check if they're a gold supplier or verified supplier for added assurance. Step 4. Check product details. Read the product description carefully. Look at the minimum order quantity and price per unit. Don't forget to check the shipping options and costs. Step 5 is to contact suppliers. Use the Contact Supplier button to ask questions. You should inquire about customization options, bulk discounts, and sample orders. Good communication is key to a successful purchase. Step 6 is to request samples. Before placing a large order, it's wise to get samples. This helps you check the product quality firsthand. Just keep in mind that you might have to pay for samples and shipping. Step 7 is to negotiate terms. Once you're satisfied with the samples, it's time to negotiate. You'll want to discuss price, payment terms, and delivery timeline. Don't be afraid to ask for better terms, but be reasonable. Step 8 is to choose a payment method. Alibaba offers several secure payment options. Trade assurance is a popular choice as it protects your order. Other options include PayPal, credit card, and bank transfer. Step 9. Place your order. Double-check all details before confirming your order. Make sure the product specifications, quantity, and price are correct. Confirm the shipping method and estimated delivery time. Step 10. Track your shipment. Once your order is dispatched, you'll receive a tracking number. Use this to monitor your shipment's progress. Be patient. International shipping can take some time. Step 11. Receive and inspect your products. When your package arrives, inspect it thoroughly. Check if the quantity match what you ordered. Check if the quality match what you ordered. If there are any issues, contact the supplier immediately. Now let's talk about some important tips to keep in mind. Always verify the supplier's credentials. Look for certifications and test reports for products. Be cautious of deals that seem too good to be true. Start with smaller orders to build trust with suppliers. Keep all communication and agreements on the Alibaba platform. Remember, buying from Alibaba can be a great way to source products, but it does require some caution and research. Take your time, ask questions, and don't rush into large orders. And there you have it, a complete guide to buying from Alibaba, from finding products to receiving them at your doorstep. We hope this video helps you navigate the world of Alibaba with confidence. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Alibaba.